What is... And then folks, welcome back to the channel. Whatever there's doing good, you feel me? So, I haven't posted a video in like a week or two or something probably. I still haven't built a box. I still haven't built a seat rail. I still haven't painted my car. I still haven't barred my car with a legal motor. What else have I not done? Today I came up on something pretty sick. Pretty sweet deal here. If you look right there at the top circle, it says 9.4. That means it came out at 94, which is good because my boy that hooked me up with the sweet deal on this head here also threw in this intake manifold because he was just going to toss it out anyway. So if this intake manifold is OBD1, that's actually a pretty decent come up because I do plan on converting my car to OBD1 at some point after I bar it, just because of the it's just a better system. Anyway, so yeah, I got this head here. I'll take off the valve cover in a minute, but there's no damage on the valves except for like one. The guy I got it from kind of pointed it out, but I can't really see it. But it's missing a little chunk, but it's not a big deal. Everything's gonna get rebuilt here. I'm gonna be teaching myself over the next we'll just say it like this. This year I'm gonna teach myself how to rebuild motors. I watched a Young Static video. He was rebuilding, I think it was an Integra Type R block, and after watching it a couple times, I kind of got out of my head, realized that, you know, maybe I could do this. It doesn't look hard, it looks tedious, and if anything I've learned over the last year or two with this car build, doing the B20 swap, it's the whole working on cars is just tedious. There was a whole bunch of just installing and taking off, installing, taking off, you know, just constantly moving stuff around, and I finally got out of my head and realized that, you know, I'm like my biggest enemy when it comes to like taking on a new task, and I'm sure a lot of people can relate to that because it's just human nature. You know, if you're smart, you are cautious, and if you're real with yourself, you know your capabilities, and sometimes you can surprise yourself with what you can do if you really just put in the effort and the time. So look at me, old motivational over here, motivational for real time guy here, you know. But yeah, anyway, so the guy I bought this from pointed out one of the cylinders had like rust in it. Maybe it's just like the orientation here. I'm not really seeing which one it was. I know it's in there, but it's not a big deal. Like I mentioned, I'm gonna be rebuilding this entire thing. It's gonna get a whole new valve set, valve stem seals, and that's probably gonna be it. Actually, I'm gonna take it to the machine shop, make sure that I can get this thing flat. The head came with the dowels that I was missing on the block, so that's pretty cool. Alright, so the head actually looks, in terms of color anyways, it looks pretty good. All the rockers and stuff are all loose because to get the head off you have to remove the head bolts, which means you have to remove the cams. So that's already been done. So I don't really know the condition that it was in when he took it apart, but I trust my boy, and yeah, hopefully there's nothing wrong with this outside of you know, the valves needing to be replaced and everything being put back in properly. One of these is not like the other. New everything in here, new springs, retainers, and valve stem seals. All that stuff will get replaced after I take this to the shop and have it cleaned out. I don't really have any time frame here on when I'm gonna get back to work on putting this thing together. I still have to put this on the engine stand here. I got my work cut out for me here, but that means that I want to have a lot of content coming out on this channel here, and hopefully it's a lot of educational content. I'll probably debate on whether or not I'll put a lot of the videos out until I know this thing runs, so I know I'm like putting out like factual information and whatnot. But it's pretty straightforward. Just take it apart, put it back together, slap it on the block, be happy. But yeah, just wanted to make a quick video, let you guys know I'm still alive, and I'm still trying to get things going on the channel here. I really want to have this car barred by my birthday, and it would be lovely if I could go out camping or something by August, because I haven't done anything for my mental health in a long time. So I guess I worked on the car. I did a little favor last year. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, folks. Peace out. Yeah.